If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture in intermediate level where you are solving previous year JEE main questions on continuity. So in this lecture we will be solving question number 5, 6, 7. Okay, then let's solve these three questions. Now if it is in question number 5, consider this function where x is a greatest integer function, box x. The function is not continuous, that they are asking all these things. Okay, so we have to check whether it is continuous or not. You can already see at these integer points it is not continuous, it is discontinuous. So if you add something, this is continuous plus discontinuous, that will be discontinuous. You can check if it is give 1 plus, you can check one by one, that is no issue. If you check only one, then you will get it. So they are asking it is between -1 to 3, so let's check at 0. So what will be 0 plus? If I go for 0 plus, I am not doing exact 1 minus 0 plus. So 0 plus will give you 0, and 1 plus minus 0 plus, that is 0, that is 1, so output is 1, 1. If you put 0 minus, I am not doing proper bookish limit, just I am trying to find what is this 1 minus 0 minus. So this 0 minus will give you -1, and this will give. So you can see your LHL RHL is not okay at 0, so it is discontinuous 0. Similarly in 1 also, this will be 1 and this will be 1 minus, it will be 0. So these two will be same, here also, here also. 1 plus 1 minus, both will give you same answer, 0 mod. But this will change, because this will change, so it will be discontinuous at same as you can check for 1, 2. So 1 is correct, 1, 2, 3. For all these points it will be okay. So it is continuous, so 1 is correct of explanation. Now if you go to, if you want to write this function, so if you write from -1 to 0, so what will be this function? For anything between -1 to 0, if you put your output, this will give you -1. And this, because you are giving x negative, so its output is already positive, so no need of giving this mod. So you can remove this mod, which will be equal to -x. So first portion is okay. Now if you guide from 0 to 1, anything if you put in the box 0 to 1, your output will be 0, plus if you write anything in between 0 to 1, it is still positive, so it will be 1 minus x, so it is 1 minus x. Okay, this is first one, this is second one, this is also correct. Next if you go for 1 to 2, so if you put anything in between 1 to 2 in this box, your output will be 1, and then this one, if you are going for 1 to 2, that means you are going more than 1, that means negative will come. So to remove this negative, I have to give one more minus to remove this mod, because if it is negative inside, you put one more minus, the mod works will be done. So it is 1 minus 1, 0, then it is, so it is plus x. So you can say it is not correct. So obviously 2 is wrong, so 1 is correct, 2 is false, that is your option C. I am not going further, you can go complete it, but no need. Next if you come to 6, if f is a composite function of x defined by fu is this and u is this, then the number of points x where f is discontinuous. So first if you put this one in this function, if I want to find this one, instead of u is given this one, so I will put this is x minus 1 whole square, 1 by x minus 1, then minus 2. So first thing is that x cannot be 1, so 1 discontinuity. If it is x equal to 1, so 1 point you got, it is discontinuous at 1. If 1, then it is going to be infinite, so which is not possible. If you give 1, then it is infinite, you cannot put infinite there, and you can infinite into infinity, you cannot say infinite square. So the first thing is that it should not be x equal to 1, that is okay. Now if it is x not equal to 1, then you can actually do it, you can LCM it, take LCM here, then it is 1. So actually it is not going up, we are multiplying denominator both side by x minus 1 whole square. And we can do it because x minus 1, I am not considering x equal to 1, I am considering x equal to not equal to 1. Then that's why you can multiply. That's why I told x cannot be 1. That's why one discontinuity is there. If x is not equal to 1, then you can do this one. Then this get cancelled, then you can simplify and you can proceed. So if you open it, you will get it 2x square minus 5x plus 2. And if you factorize it, you will get 2 factor, 1 is x minus 2, 1 is 2x minus 1. So again it is not continuous at x equal to 2, x equal to half, because at this point it is not continuous. You can say, you can remove it, that is removable discontinuity, that is okay, but it is not continuous as it is mentioned now. So you have how many discontinuity point? 1, because it is at the beginning. At 2 and half, there are 3 discontinuity point, that is your option B, number of points where it is discontinuous. Now if you come to 7, F is this one, G is this one, then the set of points where a fog is discontinuous. You write clearly, remove your mod and write it in good way, that is proper defined way, that I will define it in piecewise. If x is greater than 0, then there is no need of mod, so you can remove this mod. If x is less than 0, you can put anywhere equal to, you have seen. If x is less than 0, then you have to put one more minus, because it is negative, because mod will make it positive. So how to make it positive without using mod? If it is negative, you multiply by one more negative, it will be positive. That's why. So minus of minus x, that is plus x, minus x. So this is your gx. Similarly, you define your fx. If x is greater than 2, so this is already positive, no need of this one. So minus 1 plus x minus 2, that is x minus 3. This is first one. And if x is less than 2, then it is minus 1 minus x plus 2, then it is 1 minus x. Okay, so if they are asking to find fog, so first f will eat what g will leave. First g will eat, what is the meaning of fog? F of g of x. First who will eat? G. So you take preference of g. G eat in two different ways. If it is less than 0, it will eat like this. If it is greater than 0, it will eat like this. So g has a preference. What food you are giving, depending on that it will eat. So first you have to take care of g. So that's why I am taking care of g. If it is less than 0, then it is 1 plus x. Okay. Now whatever output g will give, f will take that one as an input. So what output will give if x is less than 0, and if you are giving 1 plus x, then what output it will give? Because x is less than 0, so 1 plus x will be less than 1. You add 1 both sides. So that means the output of g, because this is gx. So the output of gx is always less than 1. Okay. So that output f will eat. Now f is getting something which is less than 1. So if it is less than 1, f will eat in this way. So 1 minus x. But what is x here? X here is gx. So 1 minus 1 plus x, that is your minus x. So that, now you got it. Now f is take this one as input, f will eat this one, and if f will eat this one, but f again eat in two different ways. If it is less than 2, then it will eat in this way. If it is greater than 2, it will eat in this way. So this we have seen, this is less than 1, so that's why f will eat this one in this fashion. So what is the fashion? 1 minus input, 1 minus input. What is the input? G. So this is minus x, fog. And next come to greater than 0. So if g is greater than 0, again x is greater than 0, so minus x is less than 0, so 1 minus x is less than 1, because I am adding again 1. So again gx is less than 1. So now f will eat this one. How it will eat this one? This output 1 minus x is always less than 1. So f will get something which is always less than 1. So again f will eat in this way. So 1 minus x is this. So it will eat 1 cat cancel x. So this is your fog. Now this function fog, this is minus x if x is less than 0. This is plus x if x is greater than 0. Now you have to check whether it is continuous, discontinuous, or everything. So LHL, that means 0 minus. So if we apply 0 minus, I am not doing 0 minus means this branch, so it will come in something limit x tends to 0 minus, so which is 0. You can use it. LH, limit h tends to 0, f of 0 minus h, which is limit h tends to 0, which function you will take minus x, instead of minus x you will put minus h, so plus h. If you put 0, it is 0. Similarly you can go for RHL 0 plus, again limit h tends to 0, 0 plus h, so it will be plus h again. If you put for 0 plus, you will be using this one, there is 0 plus 0. And what is f0? At 0 it is 0. So all three are equal, that means it is continuous, and because at 0 it is breaking, and all other points without 0 it is a polynomial. Polynomial is always continuous. Either you go for less than 0 portion, it is always polynomial, greater than 0 is also. So this portion, they are separately continuous, and they are meeting at 0 where they are also continuous, and this side is continuous, this side, so entire graph is continuous. So it is not discontinuous. So where fog is discontinuous, so it is discontinuous at nowhere, that means at empty set. You could not find anywhere where it is discontinuous. So that's why it is option D. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.